how to use Page Builder Cloud with Elementor. All you do is you make sure that Elementor is installed and you go to a page, add new, edit with Elementor. Now you can design your page or you can go from a template. Elementor supply great templates and most of them are free, but let's just insert one of these. And this is an Elementor page and we want to save this as our own page. So we'll publish this. So how do we save this to the cloud? With Elementor it's very easy. You just go to Save Options, Save as a Template, save the page, let's call it 354, go and save, exit to your dashboard, look in your Elementor templates and you'll see 354 there, and as soon as you mouse over that title it says Save to my cloud. You click on that, refresh the page and you'll see that it's been exported. Now you may want to use that on another site, which is the whole point of Page Builder Cloud. So that's very simple. You go to your new site, this is the Page Builder Cloud demos we've got, and you can see that Elementor is not installed. So let's install Elementor and let's see what we can do with that page layout. Now you can see that Elementor is installed and obviously Gutenberg is there because it's part of WordPress. So let's go to the saved templates on Page Builder Cloud. And there we are, we have an Elementor layout, and as you can see it generates a screen grab and you can scroll and see it, and of course there's a Gutenberg layout there that we saved earlier. Now to put that into a page, all you do is you go to Pages, Add New, Edit with Elementor, and rather than having to go to the Elementor templates, what you do is you go to Page Builder Cloud and you can see your layout there. So you apply and you can see that you've laid that page out, and that's simple how you use Page Builder Cloud with Elementor.